Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some exciting news from Google. They've just given us a sneak peek at their brand new home speaker, set to launch in 2026, and it's packing a serious upgrade, the new Gemini voice assistant. First off, let's talk design. This speaker is sleek and modern, and it's going to be available in a bunch of cool colors. We're talking classic white and gray, a trendy green, and even a vibrant berry red. It's designed to look good in any room. But the real star of the show isn't the look, it's what's inside. The biggest change is the replacement of the good old Google Assistant with the much more powerful Gemini AI. So, what does this mean for you? Well, Gemini promises a much more natural and intelligent conversational experience. In the demos we saw, it handled complex conversational commands with ease. For example, you could ask it for cooking substitute suggestions or have it brainstorm recipe ideas on the fly. The Gemini Live mode makes talking to your speaker feel less like you are giving commands and more like you're having a genuine conversation. Now, let's get into the audio specs. The new Google Home speaker boasts full 360-degree sound, filling your entire room with rich audio. And for all you audiophiles out there, you can pair two of these speakers together for a true stereo sound experience. Even better, it seamlessly connects with your Google TV, allowing you to create an immersive surround sound system for movie nights. It's also designed for the whole family. The speaker can recognize up to 6 different user voice profiles, so everyone gets a personalized experience. Plus, there's a handy guest mode for when you have friends over. And for those of you building out a smart home, you'll be happy to know it comes with a built-in Matter controller and a thread border router, making it a powerful hub for all your connected devices. However, it's not perfect just yet. While the Gemini-powered conversations are impressive, it still feels a bit like a super smart chatbot. For instance, in the demo, it could create a recipe for you, but it couldn't send that recipe directly to your phone, which seems like a bit of a missed opportunity. These are the kinds of limitations we hope to see ironed out by the 2026 release. So, what's the verdict? The new Google Home speaker looks fantastic, the feature set is robust, and the promise of a more natural AI conversation with Gemini is incredibly exciting. It's a significant upgrade. But as with any preview, the real test will be how it performs in our homes in everyday life. We'll have to wait and see if it truly lives up to the hype. What do you think? Is this the future of smart speakers? Will you be picking one up in 2026? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this first look, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.